So, welcome to the Safe Stars online open mic event this afternoon. Right, I think we should start. You all know who I am now, Brian Evans on his tropical island. Perhaps we should go through everybody else and they introduce themselves and they'll tell them a little bit about themselves. So, Pete, if we can go through all the other people on the chat and we'll say hello to them, they can say hello. But don't tell anyone what act you're doing because it's a surprise, okay? Just tell everyone who you are.
I'm Pete and I work for TGP Cymru, and it's about safeguarding young people and helping them express themselves today. So over to whoever wants to go next. Maybe Mary. I'll hand over to Mary.
Hi, so I'm Mary and I'm privileged to work for TGP Cymru and I'm the manager with Mid and West Wales.
Let's go with this, Sarah.
I'm Sarah. I don't know which one I'm going, but I'm talking, so I'm going. So I'm Sarah, and I work for TGP Cymru as well. I work in the same office as the other Sarah, who's about to talk, and Pete and Mary. And this is my daughter Tilly, and we're just watching for half an hour or so before we have to zoom off and do something else. But it's working really well, and it's really fun. And I hope you have a good afternoon.
And I'm the other Sarah. And I've got also a stage name that Theo Delahaye has given me, which is Tetras. So she might appear later. But I work for TGP as well, and I love my job so much. And I'm so excited right now for all of this. All the young people and Pete have been so excited and worked so hard. So I hope you all enjoy. It's like I've got butterflies in my tummy.
Okay, Jackie, that's me. I'm Jackie Murphy. I'm CEO. I'm watching from Cardiff today. And yeah, this is really exciting. I came to the fashion show. It was amazing. And I am really, really excited. Like I said, I'm in my bedroom like most teenagers and young people. I've been relegated to my bedroom by my 30-year-old son. And I'm quite enjoying it, actually. It is like being a teenager again. And I'm really pleased to be invited to watch you all perform and do this lovely open mic event. So thanks, everybody.
I also work for TGP Cymru as an advocate, sometimes in Ceredigion and sometimes in Carmarthenshire and Pembrokeshire. And I'm a big music and entertainment fan, and I used to have a career in the entertainment industry. So I'm really looking forward to what's going to happen this afternoon. I'm really excited. So, thank you.
Hey. Thanks for coming, Phil. So we'll stick with TGP staff. Nia, do you want to go next and introduce your daughters?
Hi, I'm Nia. I'm an advocate as well for TGP Cymru. This is Manon, my little daughter. Well, not so little. The other two that are kind of making a few appearances is Mana and Megan, and Willow the cat came recently, but dashed off to go and sleep again. You guys.
Hi everyone, okay? I'm watching this home in Liverpool, so I'm not really sure what Archie's going to do. He has sort of showed me a little bit today, and this is my first time on Zoom as well. It's pretty cool.
Amazing, well done, cool.
All good, yeah, all good. That's it really. That's great. My dog.
Welcome, Jason.
Thank you.
So I'm Hannah. I'm from Team Taylor as a family support worker, but I mainly work with young people. So when I just got invited by Billy, my line manager, and she thought it was something really good for me to jump on and have a look at all you guys and familiarise myself with everyone.
Brilliant.
Welcome, Hannah.
Hi, what about me? Hello up there. It's Kerry.
Go on then, Kerry.
Mid and West Wales. Pembrokeshire advocate, everybody. And this is my lovely mother, June, who is spending the lockdown with us. Getting rather spoilt.
We are going to entertain you, June.
Yeah, absolutely. We're really excited and can't wait to see what all the kids are going to do.
Hello.
Where's Sadie?
Hi, Sadie.
Hello, Sadie.
I've got Reggie and Caleb is going to be doing a little bit of a football thing, and Reg is doing a wrestling walkthrough.
Oh, amazing.
I'm looking forward to that. That is in Act 2. Young people of the world.
Okay, Archie.
Hi, my name is Archie, and I work for Electricity as well.
Manon, Alicia.
Hi.
Hi.
Hoppy.
Hello.
This is Hoppy. And AJ, do you want to say hello?
Yeah, hi, I'm AJ, and 15 from Aberystwyth, and I spend most of my time on a farm doing farm stuff.
That's great, AJ.
Yay, wow.
Theo is our resident DJ today.
Theo is a DJ, film director, basic creative genius.
Yeah.
Here.
Genius. Renaissance man.
And Mark Keegan is with Phoebe as well. Harry, say hello.
Hi, I'm Harry.
Yay!
And who else? We've got Levi as well, who's joined us to watch. Thanks, Levi.
Hello, I'm Levi.
Hi, Levi.
Hello.
Hi, Emily. Brilliant. Thank you for coming. Sorry, we didn't know. I didn't realise you were here.
It's okay.
Act 1 this afternoon, who's going to be doing a dance for us. So I don't know where she's doing it, in a bedroom or in a lounge or wherever. We are going to, I don't know, is that, here she is. This is Hoppy.
Yay.
Say hello to Hoppy, everyone.
Hi, Hoppy.
Hi, Hoppy.
And hats off to Hoppy. She's going to be kicking off this afternoon with a dance. So over to Hoppy. Big round of applause.
Woohoo!
Well done, Hoppy. Fabulous.
Lovely.
Oh, we're just saying that as well.
That was mad. That was
Amazing
sick.
hair.
I was crying.
Brilliant. So, our second act afternoon is for Harry Hodgson and his beatbox. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Harry.
Well done, Harry.
Right. We're on to our third act this afternoon, and we should have Archie. And his dad Jason's watching from Liverpool, and Archie is going to play something on the drums for us. You there, Archie?
Yeah, I'm here.
Good man. Give us a wave. Good to see you, mate. And a big round of applause for Archie.
Fabulous.
Brilliant.
Fantastic.
Really
Brilliant.
good.
I love
Archie.
the ending.
Yeah.
That was rocking.
That was sick, bro. That was sick.
Harry thinks it's sick. Well, Act 4, something very special now. We know her as Sarah Coles, but she's appearing under her stage name, which is what is it, Sarah?
It's given to me by Theo Delahaye. It's Tetras.
You're known as Tetras. And
Well,
you're
I'll
going
be
to
off, I'll
do
go
some
and get
up-close
Tetras.
magic for us, you?
Yes, I'll just go and get her.
A little bit of magic, I did.
A little bit of magic now.
Oh,
Yo,
sorry.
Tetras in the house.
Hey, Sarah, Tetras, where's Sarah gone?
She's gone. She's out of here. Tetras is here.
All the way from Las Vegas, Tetras.
Yeah.
Come and do
How
your
you all
fantastic
doing?
magic trick for us.
Right. Are you ready for this?
Yes, we are, Tetras.
I've been practicing. I might need a little bit of help. So I think my manager, Mary. Hello, Mary. Were you saying that earlier you were chatting, saying you're a little bit thirsty because you're ever so busy?
Maybe make sure everybody puts this on gallery view.
Oh, yes. All on gallery view, please.
There we are.
Are we all ready?
There.
Good. So Tetras, me, I've got this lovely glass of juice and I thought I'd just share it with Mary. Are you a little bit thirsty, eh, Mary? So send all your powers, abracadabra, wiggle your fingers. Woo woo! Mary, here you are. you go, Mary.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
Practicing that.
Wow.
Amazing.
Thank you, thank you.
Tetras, do you have anything stronger?
No, not at this time, Brian. No, squash it all the way.
Now, we're going to follow that with the fantastic Manon, who's going to play something on the piano.
Oh.
Yay! Yay! Great job, Maz.
Fabulous.
That was fantastic. And the music just started. I didn't realise she had the piano right there with her. That was amazing. Congratulations. That was brilliant. That was absolutely brilliant, Manon. We love that. But we're going to carry on now with some singing. And we're going to have Emily. Emily, are you there? You're going to sing for us now, Emily? It is. Hi, Emily.
Hi. Should I start now, yeah?
When you're ready.
Start when you're happy to, Emily, all right? No pressure. You just go when you're ready.
Been dressed up to get love, and guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world. Could wake up, make up, and play dumb, pretending that I need a boy who's gonna treat me like a toy. I know the other guys wanna wear expensive things like diamond rings, but I don't wanna be the puppet that you're playing on the string. This queen don't need a king. Oh, I don't know what you've been told, but this guy right here is gonna rule the world. That is where I'm gonna be, 'cause I don't wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still and look pretty. You get up on your 9 to 5, dream big, get fences and trophy wives, but no, I'm never gonna be, 'cause I don't wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still and look pretty.
What a beautiful voice.
Jesus.
Amazing.
Fantastic.
What a beautiful voice, Emily.
Amazing, Emily.
Well done, you.
Well done, Emily.
Wow.
That was amazing, man.
That was better than Tetras.
Yes, absolutely.
Emily, thank you so much for that. That's been absolutely brilliant. We've got one more act now before a break, and Theo's going to play some music for us. So we're going to finish the first part of this afternoon with Mr. Mark Jeffries, and he's going to do his safeguarding poem.
So it's a pleasure to do this. Thanks to Pete, and glad to do it. It gets me out of sorting my shed out and loads of DIY stuff, which I hate. Pete emailed me with the words the Safe Stars group came up with. The strange thing is that Mary emailed me also, and she was sitting right opposite me. We're all turning into robots. I think I must apologise to one of the Safe Stars group, as I forgot to use their word annoying. How I missed it, I don't know, as it was the first on the list. So I again apologise to whomever. Still, without annoying you all anymore, here is the poem. And apparently, Maz shouted out llamas because Alicia had, her sister had pictures of llamas on her socks, so she randomly shouted out that, which I thought was pretty cool. My sense of humour. So, so we're going to call it "Stay Safe," or did someone mention llamas? Here we go. Corona makes me crazy. Corona makes me sad. 19 was my lucky number. Now it drives me mad. Stay home, stay safe. People sleeping more. This is all very stressful. I'm climbing up the walls. Let's get on Zoom, tell jokes, boom, boom, room chat in our own front rooms. Did someone say llamas eating bananas? Nah, must be that blinking virus. Corona spreads so easy, not safe for me and you. COVID-19's dangerous. I bet it looks like pool slides in the leisure centres. They're completely out of use. We can't go swimming anymore. I wish this was fake news. Stay home, save lives, we must survive. Wave that nasty germ goodbye. Did someone say llamas in pyjamas? Nah, must be that blinking virus. Corona is a goner. It's picked up on the wrong type. Us humans don't go down easily without putting up a fight. Respect to essential workers in shops, hospitals, and the like. Cravey COVID corona, you'll soon be on your bike. No more us missing families or having house parties via Skype. We'll all be free again. Yeah, the thought of that is nice. But did someone say llamas in dramas? Top of the socks, llamas in pyjamas, I'm going bananas. Stay home, stay confined, it'll be fine, just great, be brave, stay safe.
Yay!
Amazing! Wow! Really fabulous!
Great words. I did do that.
Hey guys, I'm on the West Coast now in San Francisco.
Wow. You're lucky. You're lucky.
Man.
So, well, that was amazing. How do you follow that? I'm about to tell you.
Go on, Mez.
We're going to start now with our old friend. He amazed us with his beatbox earlier on, but now he's going to play the guitar.
Amazing, Harry. Well done, Harry.
Well done, Harry. Well done, Harry. Well done, mate. A little bit sooner than expected. Mr. AJ Randall there. Mr. AJ Randall, frontline work.
AJ!
Hello.
You've been on the farm, AJ. Do you recognise Phil's chicken? Is that one of yours? Free range?
Well, we were missing a couple of chickens earlier, but
Phil's going to We are recording this. Let's put this for the RSPCA afterwards.
Yes, keep it, yeah.
Okay.
I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet, I know we'll meet beyond the shore. We'll kiss just as before. Bye-bye sailing, no more sailing.
Well.
Wow, what a voice!
Wait a second, AJ, while we appreciate that song.
Yeah.
That was amazing. I wasn't expecting that song.
I was not expecting that.
Can I just say that all young people, there was no pressure. They didn't have to do anything that they didn't want to. So if Reggie and Caleb don't want to, or they've got technical issues, they can still watch. It's okay, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
We'd like to see them. We'd like to welcome them.
Great, thanks.
All friends here.
And they can always do it another time.
Yes.
And I'm sure we'll get a chance to do this again.
Yes, please.
Like, you know.
I love it. I do.
Now, how do you follow that? You'd follow that with, all it says is Pete guitar. Are we talking about Mr. Pete Bradley playing the guitar?
Okay, enjoy. This is a happy song. Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gonna hit the road. Gonna hit the road. Something changed in the atmosphere. Architecture turned familiar. I could get used to this. Being riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun, feeling in the shotgun, feeling like a someone. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's those mountain tops that I'm dreaming of. If you need me to go where I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. South of the equator, navigator, gonna hit the road, gonna hit the road. Deep sea diving round the clock, bikini bottoms, loud guitar. I could get used to this. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you see what I mean. The mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you leave me, you know where I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Sing it with me. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I got two in the front, two in the back, sailing along and we don't look back. Time flies by in the yellow and green. Stick around and you'll see what I mean. There's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like someone. Yeah.
Yes, Pete.
Brilliant. Amazing.
Can I just say that's really scary? So for me that was scary. So for all these young people to do that, they have been amazing. So well done all you lot.
Let's give a round of applause for everyone who's taken part. Now the famous safeguarding wrap that was created by the Safe Stars.
Do you want to be safe and stay protected? Don't want to be disturbed by people affected, disrespected. Now listen y'all, check this out, cause this is what it's all about. Let's stay connected, we don't wanna be neglected. This safe app rap is gonna be projected. So now that you've discovered, bro, that is what's to be expected. We're gonna be detected.
Let's go! Let's stay safe, let's be aware. Don't want our text or people sad. Let's don't need to those who care. We're all in this, so don't be there. Let's stay safe, let's be aware. Don't want our text or people sad. Let's don't need to those who care. We're all in this, so don't compare.
This subject, it is not benign. Let's all stay safe when we're online. Be firm, responsible all the time. There ain't no crime, it's all just fine. Install ghost mode on your phone. Stop our phones, bro, keep out those trolls. Hey blood, trolling. They ain't going nowhere. So Snapchat catfish should be aware. We'll stay ahead of you from the start. You will all be on the chart. Cause we're all phone smart, we're from the pack. We're down in the act. Suck it to it, girl, boy be exact. Show them that we can't get hacked. Cause we're all safeguarded back. So catfish, you're knocked out, don't you know? We've all been clocked. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Let's go!
Let's stay safe, let's be aware. Don't want our text or people sad. Connect, don't need to know who care. We're all in this, so don't be there. Let's stay safe, let's be aware. Don't want our text or people sad. Connect, don't need to know who care. We're all in this, so don't compare.
On social media, stay longer. The way you safe, it's not that hard. On social media, stay longer. Avoid the trolls and get them gone. On social media, stay longer. Look out for those and false facades. On social media, stay longer. They won't get through, we got their cards. On social media, stay longer. Play it safe, it's not
We're in control.
for cyberspace. We don't talk to those.
No, we don't know. You're not my friend.
Let's say know your face. We do positive.
Not negative. No bullying.
Or you'll be shifted. We're peace.
We're love. We're understanding.
We help. We care.
We lend a hand in. Together now.
So any forge your broady band, you and all your freaky gangs, this is fact, we won't get hacked. Cause we're all backed with parental control. They've been elected, we're quite selected. Be detected, just so you know, safeguarded, bro.
Let's go! Let's stay safe, let's be aware. Don't want no text or people sad. Let's don't need to know who care. We're all in this, so don't be there. Let's stay safe, let's be aware. Don't want our text or people sad. Let's don't need to know who care. We're all in this, so don't be there. Let's stay safe, let's be aware. Don't want our text or people sad. Let's don't need to know who care. We're all in this, so don't be there.
Okay, I don't know. Did people get that?
Well, Brian is.
Hey guys, I'm in space.
Space!
I'm on the International Space Station.
Wow! So that was a safeguarding video that this group, the Safe Stars, made, and they recorded their own rap and went to Cardiff to record it last year, a year and a half ago now, before the fashion show, and that's what they produced. So I wanted to show it today to everybody.
And Mark was involved, and I know he was singing, wasn't he? And
yeah, beatboxing, Archie was
singing, and there are people watching today who were part of that. That was fantastic. That was brilliant, Pete. Right, well, where do we go from there? I know where we go from here. Jackie Murphy, who's been in her son's bedroom.
Yeah, no, my bed. It's my bedroom.
Oh, is it your bedroom?
It's invented by my son.
By your 30-year-old son, Jackie.
Yeah, I know.
Our friend from Cardiff, from Trosca now, the big boss.
Yeah.
Banana.
What do you think,
Big
Jackie?
banana.
Tell us.
I just want to say very quickly, because it's just been amazing. Well done, everybody, and just how talented. I have done a little tweet saying how proud and amazing you are, and this is so good. I mean, this has been really tough, this COVID, this kind of everybody being stuck in the house and social isolating, and it's been lovely for young people and everybody to get together and just to share, the talent that's here. I mean, I wasn't sure what to expect when Pete said, did I want to join you? But it's been fabulous. And sometimes, like you say, this is a job. I don't believe that they pay me sometime. I'm very privileged to work with such amazing staff, amazing young people, really innovative stuff. I'm always really proud when I go out and I talk to other CEOs and I show off, about what we do, because it is pretty amazing. So, and if I'd known that, I could have got Lizzie to do little tricks. That's the only thing I can do. My only talent is I've trained Lizzie to do bang and fall over, So next time, Lizzie the dog will do some tricks for you.
Yay.
So that'll be my turn. So we must do it again soon. But thank you, everybody. It's been amazing. Pete, amazing. Really good. Woo, thank you.
Coming along and joining us.
I really needed that break, actually, away from that nice, light-hearted watching all of you. That was so fantastic. It's absolutely been amazing. And Delilah wants me to keep throwing the teddy.
Kerry, you're absolutely right. It's cheered me right up.
Absolutely.
3 weeks into this, and we haven't stopped laughing or smiling, have we? So
no,
that's what it's all about. Absolutely amazing.
No,
I think we should thank everybody, shouldn't we? We should thank all the amazing people at Trosca now, Pete and Mary and Jackie and Tetras and Sarah and Nia and people I haven't mentioned.
The chicken.
Give them a massive round of applause first. And I think we should give a special round of applause to our special guests. I can see Victoria and Archie's dad and Kerry's mum. And everyone, give them a round of applause for joining us today. Thanks for coming. A special round of applause for Phil Layton's chicken.
Yay!
And last, I haven't forgotten, last but certainly not least, all the amazing young people.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I'd just like to say a big thank you for doing this today for us. As usual.
I filled up the rocket.
And we just had to have you back, Brian, after your performance and your help and support in the fashion show. And anytime we do another event like this, we want you to host, because you
what? I love it. And when he said, do you want to be part of this? I said, yes, please, because the last time put such a massive smile on my face. It's a massive buzz. It's more than just a job, isn't it? It's just lovely people looking out for each other and being kind. So give yourself a big round of applause.